Hey you guys, welcome back. And today I'll be sharing my skincare routine with you. My morning skincare actually. Before I wasn't a very skincare kind of a person, but as soon as I developed that how important it is to take care of your skin, especially when you do makeup on daily basis, maybe like for your office, college, or anything else, you should be taking care of your skin. And I'll be telling you guys what all you'll need, what skin type it is good for, and how do you follow this. So let's not blabber anymore and get into the video. So as I said, I'll be showing you the products I personally use and you should include moisturizer, serum, and sunblock, especially in daytimes. So I'll be showing you what all I use and what all you'll need for yourself, like if you are a dry skin person, oily skin person, combination, or normal skin. So I'll be telling you what all you can just follow and have a glowing and spotless skin. After washing my face, first thing I use is a toner. So this is a toner by Good Vibes, pomegranate glow toner. I am personally using and liking this one these days in my morning routine basically. So I just spray like 3 or 4 sprays of this and I'm good to go. Then I have serum here. So this is the more hyped serum on the internet and beauty community recently. So this is L'Oreal Crystal Micro Essence Smoothing and Radiance serum. Basically it'll give you a brightening effect, and this is very nice for daytime. Basically I don't use it at night because my nighttime routine is totally different from my daytime. So I'll be showing that in the next video, and if you want to see that, do comment below so that I know that you all want that video. After that I use one more serum here. This is Unlock. Yeah, I'll just open this and show you. Like, this is how it looks. Now you'll recognize this because many of the celebrities and influencers, they have shown this on their profiles, and they were just talking about this recently. So you would know that this is the one. This is Unlock Mixify Skin Serum. Skin glow, removes dead cells, exfoliates, and brightens skin. I like everything about this serum because I'm using it for like a month now, and I just don't like the fragrance of this because it has some chemical kind of a fragrance in it. And apart from that, I just love this product. Sometimes I just do mix it with my moisturizer. Yes guys, I use Nivea Soft. I have been using this since the longest time now because I don't feel that any other moisturizer give me the thing I want from a product. So this is the best and a very light moisturizer in my opinion, because I love this one. This is for oily plus dry and combination skin. Also the toner and serums I showed you, that those are for all skin types. Everybody can use it. And we'll just jump into the next thing. Yeah, this is the next thing. This is Good Vibes Orange Gel. Okay, I'll tell you, sometimes I don't use the moisturizer and I use this gel. This is a very nice gel altogether. I'll just show you the consistency. It looks like obviously like a gel, and you just need like a tiny bit amount, and you can just apply it all over your face and you're good to go. Now I'll show you the sunblock. Yeah, the most important thing, you guys, you should never skip on a sunblock, sun protection, a sunscreen, because whether you go out or you don't, you are supposed to apply this on your face. All right, because some of the other, like, we just face UV lights or any kind of lights which is present in our room or wherever we are going, but we don't realize it. So you should be using sunblock whether you're going out or not. This is the full and final thing on my face which goes in the morning over my face. So this is the very last product which I love and I crave about. Alright, you guys, that's all for the products which I use in my morning routine. But if you don't have these, you can definitely use alternatives to these. If you don't have that pomegranate toner, you can use gulabari. Guys, everybody has gulabari at their home, and if you don't have, you can get it from the pharmacy, because pharmacy is working, so you can just definitely go and get gulabari, put it in a spray bottle, or not a spray bottle, you can just take it on a cotton pad and just dab on your face. All right, then I showed you the serums. Now serums can't be really combined or replaced with something else. So if you have any kind of serum, like, you can just reach out to whatever serum you get, and the fact is that it should have vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B, or any kind of vitamin in it, so that it works on your skin. See, serums are supposed to be soaked inside your skin so that it works on your skin and makes it better. All right, so then after that I showed you the moisturizer and the sunblock, also the gel. If you don't have that gel, definitely you can go for the aloe vera gel, any of the aloe vera gel available in the market right now. And moisturizer, I'm sure everybody would get the Nivea one. And sunblock, I'm sure everybody has a sunblock at their vanities. If not, guys, you are supposed to get one and start using it, because that is a lifesaver, I'm telling you. So if you liked this video, guys, do share and like the like button. Also hit the bell button down there, and do comment down below if you like this video. Also, what all kind of videos you would love to see in future. I would definitely try and post them. Bye, guys.